The need for speed is every man's dream, and as the old saying goes, that straight roads are for fast cars and turns are for fast drivers. Well, right now I'm standing in front of such a car, which is a dream come true for all you speedy sinks out there. Well, I'm talking about the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, which has a 6.4-litre V8 Hemi engine and 470 horsepower, and just imagine a torque of 630 Newton meters. Guys, now let's see what this Marvel road giant can do on the road. Let's hit it. Okay guys, well right now I'm inside the car, and what an ambience inside the car. I would say, like, the interiors are sleek and it's classy and much improved version of the older Jeep Cherokee, I would say. And well, it's a perfect leg space for a guy of my stature. So right now I'm going to drive this giant, this Marvel giant, on the road, and I'll enjoy the experience while you join me. Let's see. Well, now that's what I call a complete luxury race-inspired interior. If you look at the brake panel, the accelerator panel, you feel as if you're in a racing car, and the steering is completely wrapped up in leather, including the seats. The panel is completely high-tech. All in all, I would say awesome, mind-blowing experience. In fact, I feel like a Michael Schumacher right now. And if Michael Schumacher was over here, he would definitely leave his Marvel for this awesome Marvel. Awesome, mind-blowing experience, I would say. And for a couple of hours, I'm not going to get out of this vehicle. And I'm sure about that. I'm enjoying my drive, and I hope someday you too.
The most significant interior enhancement on the 2014 Grand Cherokee SRT is a new Uconnect 8.4-inch radio touchscreen. The 8.4-inch display shows a wealth of SRT exclusive performance pages, including recent track times, lateral acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour times, and much more.
Well, now talking about the engine, it's a 6.4-litre V8 Hemi engine, and the moment you start the ignition, you can actually feel the road, you can hear the road, woo, 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 and I'm experiencing it right now, and I can't get over it. Okay guys, after spending some great time, some cool time inside the luxurious cabin of this Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, I can vouch for the fact that this car delivers what it promises. And on that note, I've decided I'll take it.